Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in this video we are going to talk about how you can change Bybit chart to Candlestick, and it will be a quick guide for you guys. So without any further ado, let's get started. So let's say we are going to trade this one. So I want to change this chart list. So how I can do it? So that for a reason I just need to click over that option. So you can see this is the setting here, but you just need to click over here and you can see there's a couple of options: status line, then we have scales, appearance, and the symbol one. So if you want to change the symbol color, you can easily change it like that way. You can see it. Then similarly you can change this way. So this is possible in here. You can do it by using this option. So I hope you understand and realize how easy the process was. If you think this video was helpful for you, then don't forget to subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the like button. Till then, have a good day. I will catch you in the next video with an interesting topic again.